Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to clear watch history on TikTok. So let's head right over it and head over to your TikTok application. Once you're there, go to your profile. Then head over to the three lines icon and there you will find three options. We need to go to settings and privacy. Scroll down and you'll see an option of Activity Center under Content and Display section. Once you are there, you will see several history options. Just head over to the watched history. And there goes your watch history. Now select a video. Then there will be an option called delete. Just click on delete and the selected watch history is deleted. This is how you can do it too. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next one.